Hey there YouTube fans, AC Productions here, and today I'm going to be showing you on these two hidden compartments on the R3 where you could actually keep stuff. Now, for most of you guys, I know that riding with a backpack, just doesn't feel comfortable. So riding without a book bag, it feels really good, but sometimes you need a place to keep your things. Having on the back seat, you really can't fit much in there. So I actually found two spots on the R3 where you could actually keep essential things like first aid kit, and then the other one is going to be an emergency tool kit. So those are going to be the two little things that I'll be showing you for this video. Now you're wondering, you're like, all right, Alfonso, just hurry up and tell us where these two locations are at. Now, before I get to that point, there is going to be some tools that you're going to need to actually remove these parts, to actually get access to these two spots on the bike. Now, one's going to be a 4mm Allen key and a small Phillips screwdriver. All right, enough of me talking. Let's hurry up, get to the bike, and let me show you exactly where these two parts are at for you guys to actually put things in. All right, now the two spots I'm actually talking about is actually these two areas where these panels are at. A panel here on this side and a panel on the left side. Now, as I was working a lot on my bike, I was looking in this area, and this is actually a perfect spot to fit things. Now, like I said, you're going to need a 4mm Allen key and a small little Phillips screwdriver. Go ahead and remove a bolt here and a bolt here. Once you remove these bolts, guys, and those two small ones on the side, you don't have to put the small ones on the sides anymore. And these you could actually replace with these quick release pins. So let me go ahead and remove this piece and then show you what I'm talking about as far as storage. Now, this is a very uncommon place that you would never think to actually put anything. But as soon as I remove this plastic piece, now let's go ahead and grab that first aid kit that you saw that I tried to put in the back seat but didn't fit. Now, here is my first aid kit. Now, as you could see right in this area, all right, right there, you could see there's, well, obviously on my bike, I do have a ton of wires here. But in your bike, you're not going to have these wires. So this is a nice little pocket area. And in that little pocket area, you could actually fit this first aid kit, which I'll show you right now. So as you can see, good spot to put something in. Go ahead, put that first aid kit, would be my first thing to put probably on this side. So let's go ahead and fit that in there like so. And then once you get it in there, go ahead, grab your cover. And like I say, you could always replace those bolts, get some quick release bolts, and put those there. So at this point, you could just go ahead, as you can see, my first aid pouch is right there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put the cover back on. Alright, so there we go. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt to actually get the cover, but once you get the cover on there, you're all good to go. And like I said, guys, you don't have to go ahead and put those two little pins that go on this side. Just get the quick release screws that you can put over here and back over here on this side. Now you have a hidden area away from everybody. No one's ever going to know that you have something in this little pocket area, nor either on this side or on that side. Like I said, on this side is a little bit more easier. On this side, just make sure whatever you put in there goes towards the front a little bit, because at the bottom part over here, you could got your radiator and the cover for the radiator. So definitely whatever you put on that side, just make sure it's more towards the front as compared to this, so you have more leeway on space and whatnot, and storage. Or you could put this little guy. Now, stay tuned for another video where I'll be showing you what's exactly inside this pouch. So, but same thing, you could stick this pouch in there like so. And once you get it in there and nice and tucked away, you go ahead and put your cover back on. And like I said, these are two spots that no one has ever thought of actually putting stuff, because, you never think to put anything in there. For me, since, I wouldn't like to ride with a backpack all the time, and having, things that you're not really going to get to all that often, I would say it'd be perfect. Having this on one side and then having a first aid kit on the other side would be perfect. Like I said, these are not things that you're going to be constantly going in and, grabbing all the time. Just in case of emergency that you need to get to this pouch, or if you need to get to your first aid kit, you'll have this stuff always with you on your bike at all times. So I think having a nice little storage space where you could actually keep this kind of stuff is perfect. So I kind of just wanted to share with you guys. It's pretty much a short video on these two storage areas that I found, and I found them to be very useful. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash that like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That way you guys are up to date with my latest videos. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. And if you did not like this video, smash that dislike button. Let me know in the comments below on what you disliked about the video. And thank you for watching.